Hey Pisces, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Ooh, okay. Alright. This just hit me. So let me tell you. Y'all know Mercury retrograde is, getting ready to take place really soon. We're in the shadow period, right? So y'all already know you have exes trying to creep back in. Hey, big head, what you doing? Y'all birthday's around the corner. This is a great time to be saying happy birthday. Let me tell you something. Don't fall for it, because whoever I'm talking to, I don't like what I'm seeing here. Okay, so I feel like this is a warning. I feel like this hasn't happened just yet, because you guys have been working really hard. A lot of you guys have already released this past person. The person you know is not good for you, but they getting ready to creep back in if you haven't heard from them yet. And so with this retrograde getting ready to take place, I feel like this is what I'm picking up on. So with separation, I feel like that's saying, yes, you guys were separated in the past, but I feel like there's going to be another separation taking place, because I'm telling you, they're getting ready to come back in if they haven't already. I feel like they're going to ask you for your forgiveness. I'm so sorry I did this. I cheated. I lied. I stole. I was with somebody else. I chose them. Whatever the case is, you about to hear it, okay? But this person, there's still codependency. So this person could have addiction issues. This person could have codependency to someone else, or they're codependent to you because you're a good person. You helped them out. You provided for them. Whatever the situation is, I don't like it. And that's why at the bottom of the deck it said release your ex. Don't fall for that mess. You hear me? Wish y'all could see. I'm like kind of bending my head down, like fussing at y'all. Do not fall for it, okay? Y'all know who I'm talking to right now. Do not fall for it. Y'all have been doing so good. They coming back. This is a test. Warning, warning. This is a test. Alright, y'all. So I already feel like this spread is going to be this past person coming back that y'all know y'all need to get rid of. Let's just see what they're going to say, because I feel like y'all about to get all the bells and whistles. Do not fall for it. I'm not feeling it at all. Alright, but let's see. Let's see. Spirit, what messages do you have for my Pisces this month? Bottom of the deck, I have the Ace of Pentacles reverse. So, like I told the other signs, guys, y'all, it's really bright today. My blinds are closed, but just give it a second. It'll calm down, okay? But anyway, this is telling me this person's coming back to give you an offer, guys. Don't y'all take that mess. It's not the offer that you want. Something ain't right. I'm telling you, I'm feeling it. I don't like it. I don't like it, Pisces. Alright, let's see. Look at that. Something, put this first. Okay. Somebody's frustrated right now because they feel like they lost you for good. This person wants to have a happy home. They want a family. They want stability with you. And so they're coming to tell you that they removed themselves from a third-party situation. If they were involved with someone else, they had a family with someone else, kids, or it was like a family situation going on, they're going to tell you they removed themselves. I'm not dealing with him. I'm not dealing with her. I cut my mama off. Like, they're going to tell you everything. Justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra, but I feel like they're coming back because they want the truth. They want to know how you're feeling about them. If it's possible, if you're going to give them another chance. But I'm telling you, this person, they do not bring stability. They will not bring stability into your life. I'm telling you, don't y'all fall for this mess. I'm going to title this warning. Warning, warning, mayday, mayday. Listen, I'm telling y'all, do not take it. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Alright, so the way that just kind of landed on my arm is telling me that I'm telling you, this person, I feel like in the past,
even though they were frustrated, they didn't take the action to do what needed to be done to win you. So now that they know you're serious, because remember I told y'all in the beginning, I feel like y'all cut this person off. Like, y'all put your foot down, you're not playing with them. Now they know I can't play around with Pisces or cross-watcher. If you were dealing with a Pisces, they know they can't play around with you. So now they're getting ready to take action. Didn't I tell y'all they about to come and give you all the bells and whistles? But look, I mean, y'all, I can't make this up. There's no balance with this person. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but they're going to come back because they want a future with you. They want a family with you. This is the information that, yeah, they're gonna give it all. Let me tell you something. They're going to, y'all, I don't even know. I don't like it, and I'm getting hot, and I've been fine. I know I got a hoodie on right now, but I'm getting warm. I don't like this person's energy. I don't know who this is, who I'm talking to. I don't like it. There's no balance with this person. I don't know if somebody's struggling financially. Yep, somebody is struggling financially speaking. Didn't I tell y'all earlier that I felt like somebody, for some of you guys, they're codependent to you because maybe you gave a lot, you did a lot. I don't know if like you were putting money in their hands or you just helped them, or even if you didn't put money in their hands because you provided food for them, if they were always, over, you always just did things, you were just nice. They were codependent to you and they see you as being wife material, husband material, but they're taking advantage of you, and that's why I don't like it. It's a no. It's a hell no. So no. They coming back talking about something, my money is good, I got a new job, I don't need you to do X, Y, and Z. Don't you fall for that mess. Pisces, I don't like it. I don't like it. See? They're trying to come back and say they changed. No, they haven't. Y'all, I'm trying to look on the bright side and trying to be positive. Like, well, maybe, but no. I'm not. Y'all know I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to lie to you. This person, I'm picking up this sneaky energy. They're sneaky. See, they're going to tell you they felt stuck in a situation. Look at this. Could have been dealing with somebody from the past. It could have been family. Whatever the situation is, I feel like they freed themselves. But see, they're worried because they stabbed you in the back. They betrayed you. That you're going to move on without them. And they don't want that to happen. Tell me more. See? Somebody could have been dealing with the Capricorn, but I'm telling you, they're going to tell you that they removed themselves from a situation. They're even going to say, hey, I stopped dealing with this person. I no longer do those behaviors that I have. Like if I'm flirting with people, messing around with people, I had money issues, gambling, sex addiction, whatever it is, I'm done. I'm not doing that anymore. Okay. I'm not buying it. I'm going to be honest. I'm trying, but I'm not buying it. See? Somebody could have been dealing with a Cancer, but this person wants to move forward. But they're afraid they're not going to have a victory with you. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But this person, see, they're going to come in hard. They want to give you this offer of a new beginning. But see, they're afraid you're not going to take it. But I'm going to be honest. This new offer, this new beginning is doo-doo, okay? It's doo-doo. Don't take it. Y'all. I don't like it. Pisces, your card just tried to come out. Y'all know the truth. You already know. I feel like Spirit wants you to listen to your intuition because, see, this person's going to come back trying to heal things. They want things to improve with you. Pisces, didn't I just tell you your card tried to come out? There it is. Then I say, you know the truth. They're going to come back and try to speak their truth, but it's BS. I do not buy it. I don't know how many times to keep saying. I'm going to say this whole reading. No. Don't do it. No. Pisces, you could be dealing with another Pisces. Well, let's see. Tell me more. Yeah. See, this person, I feel like this is both of you. They're worried that you're not going to take their offer if they speak their truth, but you guys don't have a peace of mind about this person anyway. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But I feel like you guys are just focusing on yourselves, and you're moving forward. And this person, I'm telling you, they know because they're afraid you're going to cut them off for good. This is why they got to come in strong. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but I'm seeing somebody made a decision here, okay? And they're going to move fast. But Knight of Wands, player energy, I'm telling y'all, do not accept this offer. Do not waste your time. This is a test, okay? This is a test. See? This person, I feel like they're still sneaky. They still hold back. They still hide things. It's a no. It's a no for me. It's a no. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But see, this person's going to try to come back and heal things, but I'm going to be honest, I don't like it. I don't like it. It's like a Dr. Jekyll and Mrs. Hyde situation. This person, it's two of them. They got two different personalities. I ain't feeling it. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. See, they're watching you. They are keeping a very close eye on you because they want to work things out. They want to balance things out. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but I'm seeing that they are going to make a decision, but they're having a hard time right now because they feel like you're not going to put in the work because they left you out in the cold, you know, and they know that you healed from it. I told you, you've been focusing on yourself. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo, but I feel like this was their lesson. You had to walk away from them. That was your lesson too, standing up for yourself. And see, this person, they're trying to stay positive, but I'm going to be honest with you, when this card just jumped out, I just heard Master Manipulator. You guys need to be very careful with this person. I'm not feeling it. I keep saying this whole reading, I don't like it. They juggle. I don't like it. See, they're afraid that because I feel like there were a lot of people, you know, in the situation before. I feel like they're in their head constantly thinking like he or she is not going to accept this offer because they really feel like you're going to reject them, see? Because they broke your heart. They did have you in some type of third-party situation, see? And they're not positive. There was definitely interference. Clarify the Queen of Wands. Yeah, this is why, reverse, you guys had to walk away. Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius, but yeah, they're afraid you're going to walk away. But I'm telling you, there was interference here, whether it's family, another man, another woman. You guys had to walk away. You did, and they're afraid that you're going to walk away for good when they come back. See? They're worried. They're like, I don't know what to do. See? This is why they're dragging their feet. Tell me more. So they're trying to, I feel like, listen to their intuition, but they're undecided about what to do. But see, I'm telling you, there's codependency here. Pisces. Okay. I'm going to keep saying it. You cannot trust this person. They're trying to dress up the BS and make it look all nice and sweet, but it's BS. See, Spirit is saying you need to move on. Because they're trying to do whatever they can to win you back. Whatever, I'm going to tell you like this, Pisces. Whatever the situation was between you and this person, whatever was the main reason as to why you had to leave this person, I feel like if you give them a chance, they're going to do it again. They're going to do it again. Whatever it was, whatever was the reason. See? Spirit is saying things will not improve. They had money issues in the past. They still got money issues. They're trying to dress it up. I feel like whenever you cut them off, this person could have been saving money. You know what I'm saying? Putting a couple dollars here to the side because they already knew, I'm going to come back. And when I come back, I'm going to take Pisces out or take Crosswatcher out and I'm going to wine and dine them, you know, because they want you to think that they've been doing really good. They've been putting in the work, but that money going to run out. I'm telling you, don't y'all buy that mess. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But, yeah, I feel like you guys just don't have the strength to entertain them. Yeah, see, you know things aren't going to improve. And that's why there was a breakup. Didn't I just tell y'all that? Got my head cocked to the side. I'm looking at my... Let me tell you something. Didn't I just tell you this? This is why y'all broke up. Whatever the reason was before, they're going to do it again. Do not buy it. Take this leap. Spirit, my eyes went to the word. It never happens. Don't you be a fool. Don't you do it. You already know. Take that leap and run, Pisces. Run. Run quickly. Because the seeds that you guys planted, it's not going to grow. You're not going to have a new opportunity. So, I'm seeing that somebody's going to make a decision here. Yep, somebody's speaking their truth. Tell me more. This person, whoever messed up, they're going to come back. I'm telling you, they're going to try to sell you this offer of a lifetime. Do you hear me? This love offer to what you wanted in the past. Told you, they're going to speak their truth. They're going to pour out their heart. They're going to tell you everything because, look, they choose you, Pisces, or Crosswatcher. They want to balance it out with you, okay? But see the death card? You ain't going to have a new beginning. They know it. They know they full of you know